Hello everybody and welcome to Mike's Retro Tech. Today's episode is on Casio watches, and in particular vintage watches. Vintage Casio calculator watch and a vintage Casio electroluminescence watch. Now I bought these off eBay for £12 British and £7 British because they were both in a state of disrepair. The calculator watch had a rubbish, dodgy leather strap, as you can see there, of which I have now put, I don't know if you can see that, a metal strap on. Yeah, there we go. So the metal strap. And the electroluminescence watch has a broken strap. So what I have actually done is I've ordered one of these straps for this, and then when it turns up I will continue this video and show you how I removed this strap and replaced it with a strap similar to this. The leather strap was easy because, as you can see, it was completely perished and I could just literally pull that apart with my fingers. I think this was an original strap from, I don't know, can you read that? That the previous owner put on when the watch was new. It's pretty good, but as you can see, the words from the illuminator sign have actually gone and been rubbed off, and there is a nick in the fascia of the plastic. But to be fair, if I can find the original eBay picture, I will put it in here now, because it looked a lot more grotty online than it actually is. And as you can see what date it is I'm filming there. Oh, you can't see that, you can just see the little yellow LED that appears. But it was sold as old and not guaranteed to work properly, and it works fantastically. The same with this one, sold as a large Casio watch. As you can see, the time needs setting on that because it's completely wrong, with a faulty strap. Now it's not really large compared to the calculator watch, but there are smaller ones available, and I just like the look of it. It looks really retro and old, and it is a genuinely old one. It's not a reproduction or a remake or a reissue. It's definitely the original one with a proper illumination with the electroluminescence. So it's supposed to be an LED. The whole back of the LCD lights up by passing a small electric current through it, which is quite impressive. And the longer you hold it, the longer it stays on. So it's not an on and then go off gradually, which is pretty good. So it's 4 days later, and as you can see, the new strap has arrived. So hopefully this is the right size to fit in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you on the proper holder, and we'll get this strap removed and this strap fitted. Let's get on with it.
A few moments later.
Right, so hopefully this won't take too long, and what we'll need to do afterwards as well is it's an hour behind. It's actually 8:15 and it shows 7:30, so we need to sort that out as well. Now on these watches, the straps are removed by poking something down the tiny little holes on either side, and the whole watch strap should come off. So this is the watch strap, very nice metal one, covered in plastic, and also along with it came this, which is a watchmaker's tool and 3 spare strap arms. And hopefully I will be able, if I can get into the packaging, oh, there we go. Three different sizes of arms. Hopefully I can use this pokey end to poke through there. Yes, it appears to have some push and some give. So if we do, you can't see because my hand's in the way. I'm not sure if that pushes, oh there you go, that pushes all the way through to there. And that comes off like that. So there's the original one. Unlike these, which have, they're spring loaded. And that's how they fit through the arms of the watch strap. There. So normally they don't have the holes, and you push them through a little hole either side and pull them out and they appear. But this looks like, maybe not that way. There we go. Push that one out and away it goes. And this should be the same as that, 22mm. And it isn't, it's too big. Now that's a shame. So it needs to be, as you can see, the smaller one. Okay, so after about, I don't know, a week, the 18mm watch strap has arrived. And as you can see from here, oh, where have we gone? It fits nicely in there. So what I'll do now is I'll put you on the horizontal stand and I'll fit the watch strap. Push it in from that side. Can you see that? Maybe not. And that pushes in there. And then on this side, watch strap goes like that. This bit's got a plunger on either side. Oh, it's very fiddly. So I think maybe that's slightly different on this one. Maybe that has to go like that. Whoa, and out it shot. And where's that gone now? Oh, damn. Whoa, it shot off somewhere and I can't find it. No. Oh, gone that. Blimey, where's that gone? Let's see what we've got in here. I'll find that later on. There's the original one that came with it. So let's try that there. So that pushes in there. Oh, there we go. And there we go, and that's pushed in there. But this is good though, because I've now got 2 of those watchmaking devices, or watch fixing devices. Little baggies. Put those up there out of the way. And there we have it. 1 replacement strap. Now, because, just making sure it's not in my turn-ups, because this was a leather strap, a plastic strap, and it had those fins either side, this one now is a bit wobbly, but it should and it does. It fits okay. The watch strap needs making less loose, of course, but there we go. And the illuminator works on this one as well. So there we go, another watch repaired, salvage, rescued, you name it. So that one now goes with that one there, which I repaired a while ago, which is my calculator watch. Both have brand new straps. Well, I hope it was of some use to you. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload more videos. Like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Have you any problems with watches that you can't repair? Have you got any watches that you want repairing but you don't have the time? Just anything in watch, watch repairing in general. I do like a good Casio watch, as you'll see. But on that note, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.